Welcome to Vivek Net Lab.
Hello everyone, welcome to Vivek's Net Lab. So in today's lab, we are going to do the first time configuration using CLI of Checkpoint Security Gateway. So I will log into my gateway, which I have configured, and I have got this IP address by putting this in the OS installation of the GEA. So I will log into this and will start the configuration. So there are few steps I have mentioned, I have noted down how to do this in the CLI. We have to create a template that we are going to edit and make some values there. So make correct values there. And okay, it looks like I have put the wrong command, so we'll repeat it again. So in this template, we are going to do the editing and run this template to complete the wizard. So this is how we do it in the CLI. Now, we will open this file. This file is created, but before editing it, we need to generate the hash value of our admin credentials that I will generate from the gateway of same cluster. So I am logged into the second gateway of the same cluster, and the command to generate the hash value is this I will copy and run in this another gateway. This will give me the hash value. I need to do it in the expert mode. So this is the hash value. I'm going to copy this and paste it. This is going to be useful while editing the template in our gateway, because this we put to validate the admin credentials in the template. So now let's go back to our gateway that we were doing the configuration. Here I will open the file. In the expert mode, I need to open it. So now let's open this file. So I need to press I here to go to the insert mode. So I will press I, and now you can see there is the insert mode, and I will scroll down to do the configuration. And install security gateway is going to be true because we want to make this the security gateway. Install gateway IP false, gateway cluster member true. Install security management, no, we don't want it, so we will make it false. Let's see what is there. Management primary, these are our optional values, we don't need to put it. MDS primary secondary, this is all optional. Let's go down. Download info true, yeah, let's keep it like this. Upload info is false, so let's make it true. So this is the improved product experience. Let's don't touch it, let's keep it false. Now we are coming to this one, smart event appliance. This says we don't want to make the smart event right now, so we will not touch any value here. So we will keep scrolling down, and we will see what is this hash value. Okay, so this is the hash value we need to put of the admin. So this is we have already generated. We will copy this hash value and paste it here. So I'm going to copy this value and paste it in the template. Okay, looks like I have pasted it twice. So let me edit it. So let me edit it. Okay, I will paste it again. Yeah. So now, yeah, now it looks fine. Let's go down. Let's see what are there more interface. Yeah, I want to select ETH0 and scroll down. IP before address manually. Okay, IP address 10.0.0.3. I want to use 3. Mask length is going to be 24 and default gateway. Okay, default gateway is going to be 200.100.0.254 for my lab. IPv6 off. Hostname I'm going to use CPCM3. Sorry, CPCM2. So scroll down. Domain name. These are optional, but I'm using mycp.lab, so I will keep mycp.lab domain. Time zone, everything is optional here, but I will put time zone as America right now. I can change it to India because India is my country. I'm going to use the same time zone, so I will put America because I remember the template, the configuration for this one. I don't remember the Calcutta, the exact value there. So let's keep it, all are of these are optional, so let's keep it like this. We are almost done. Okay, so DNS NTP we don't want to touch. We can do this configuration via GUI later. These are all optionals. Scalable platforms, no, we don't want to make any changes to these optional parameters as well. This is also, post installation, so reboot if required. Yes, if required, it will go for a reboot, and we are done. So I will press escape here, and once I press escape, I will get out of insert mode. I have pressed escape, and I will type this column WQ and exclamatory mark and press enter. As soon as I did it, I am out of the template. Now I will do a dry run to make sure that my template is fine. There are no problems with the template. Okay, so let me do the dry run. Right. Okay, it says secure internal communication key should be provided. It failed. Okay, it looks like I forgot to add the SIG key. So I will update it. I will enter the file again, and I will edit. Okay, I will edit it. I need to go to export mode, and I will update the SIG key. So I will open this file using V command, V and the name of my file, which is cpcm2 ftc w1. So now I'm inside the file. I will press I. I will check where I missed the SIG key. Yeah, it is there, and I definitely missed this value. That is why I'm getting this error. Oh, where is it? Let's go down. Let's go down. Let's go down. Yeah, here it is. FTW SIG key. So, you know, if you remember, we put the one-time activation key in while doing the uh, first-time configuration via GUI method in our another checkpoint gateway. So same key I'm going to use here. This is the key I have put, and I think it is done. So I will get out of it by pressing escape, and now I will type the same command as column WQ explanatory mark and enter. Now I will exit and do the dry run once again. That's good. So my validation is successful and string is valid. So now the last step is I'm going to run the final run of my template to do the configuration, first time configuration. So the command is like this: config system -f and the name of the template that we just created. Enter. Okay, so validating config file done, configuration OS parameters done. So now it is doing the configuration of products. So it may take some time, but it will be completed eventually. So for that, we can wait. And after that, there is a option to do the installation, the verifying the installation. That is the last step in this. I think it is going to be faster compared to the configuration that we did. So now it is done. I did pause the video. Now it is done and we can see there are some warnings. So I think we can ignore it, and it has gone for a reboot. So let's wait for my node to come up again, and then I will pause the video and come back. So, this is faster, much faster than the GUI method. But the fact is that we need to do the configuration. Okay, now I can ping my gateway. So it should be up now. Let me try to do a login. Very good. So now you can see I am not getting the prompt to do the first time configuration. So last time when I had logged in, it gave me the prompt to do the first time configuration. Now it is already configured, so it is not giving me the prompt. So now I should be able to log in to the GUI as well. So I will try to log in to the GUI. Great. So page is loading. I will put my admin and password. Looks good. So I have done the configuration using CLI, and I hope you like this. And this information, this video was informative. And if you like this, just like this video and subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.